Tēnā koutou katoa e ngā rangatahi o te motu o Ngāti Manepoto o te nehe nui. Kia ora katoa. Christmas has come early for our rangatahi as we start on our workings for our rangatahi kaupapa that'll run in 2023. The first thing we need to do is find some rangatahi. So if you're aged between 18 and 35 and you live in Rohe, if you live outside of Rohe, if you live anywhere else other than in or out of the Rohe, this is for you. We're running 4 wānanga over the year with 50 rangatahi, but you need to sign up. So at the moment, all of our applications are live on our website below. Head there, find out what you need to do, fill in the application form, and they'll be open until the 31st of January 2023. So these 50 rangatahi will attend 4 wānanga over the year, and they'll also double as our rangatahi advisory committee for the Te Nehe Nui board. So if you think you've got it, you want a little bit of stuff, then this kaupapa is for you. See you next year. Exciting times. Ka kite.